Recently, I've been doing live streams cooking food from around the world. And I also post short videos. Today I'm going to learn how to use this Osmo Pocket. By the way, there's a papaya cooling down in my kitchen. I wanted to share more of my life in Japan with people overseas. So I wanted to start making vlogs too. But I didn't have a camera for vlogging. So I asked my senior or senpai in Japanese for advice. My senpai lives in Hokkaido in the north of Japan, and I live in Fukuoka in the south of Japan. By chance, my senior had a trip to Fukuoka, and he gave me this Osmo Pocket. He said he hadn't used it for about 5 years, so I could have it. I was really touched. Let's try it. Wow, it moves. Because I met you all on YouTube, I wanted to start vlogging. And somehow this miracle happened. So today I'm learning how to use it. It's smaller than I expected, but it looks powerful. Maybe I can start making vlogs with this. I'm trying to connect my Osmo Pocket to my smartphone, but I can't connect it yet. This is a lens, maybe an extension lens. Not sure how to use it yet. Anyway, thank you so much, Senpai. I'll take good care of it. A viewer who often joins my live streams told me that tutorials might help. Let's check it out. I still don't really know how to use this Osmo Pocket. For now, let's start editing. The Osmo Pocket is a bit difficult, so I'll take a short break. I'm hungry, so I'm going to eat the paella I made during my live stream. Checking how to turn on my Osmo Pocket. I figure out how to charge the Osmo Pocket. checking how to insert the SD card. Practicing filming. Maybe photos, not video. Looks like it's filming video. It worked. I got a video. But it looks a bit blurry. But for my first take, I think it's pretty good. I tap the screen where I want to focus. Let's save the footage to the computer. Looks like I can use the Osmo Pocket now. Next, I'll look up some useful accessories for the Osmo Pocket. During my live stream, we talked about McDonald in Japan. I told a lovely viewer from Scotland about the triangle pie at McDonald's in Japan. They told me that Scotland doesn't have the triangle pie. So I want to film the triangle pie using this Osmo Pocket. I'm not sure if it will work, but I'll try. I hope you enjoy it. That's it for my Osmo Pocket practice vlog. Thank you for always watching my vlogs and short videos. Thank you for joining my live streams as well. Your warm comments always give me so much power. Thanks to all of you, I can cook dishes from around the world, especially to a viewer from Scotland who joined my live stream. Because of you, I got the idea to cook food from around the world. Recently, during my live streams, I was happy to see viewers from Scotland, the US, and Japan talking together. Today, I also received a comment from someone new. I think it would be nice if our YouTube channel became a place for everyone's memories. Thank you so much. Thank you as always. See you again next time.